Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive.
This is day 9 and we are looking at a formula called unique. So what it does is it converts a list with duplicates to a list of unique values here. So how do you do that? You start by typing equals unique. Then in brackets, you put the range of your data and you close brackets. So this is a fully dynamic formula. You can see here it's an array formula. The formula is only existing in C1, but it spews the results in the cells below it. And also it's fully dynamic. For example, if I change Edmond here to maybe Joel, because Joel already exists, when I click enter here, it is going to only show a list of 4 names instead of 5. So you can see it changes, it only picks up the unique names here. And if I change maybe John to Clive, now I have a list of 3 names. So that's how the unique formula works, and it's fully dynamic. All right, that's it, guys. Bye-bye.